Digital marketing is one of those terms that's shrouded in confusion and seems to mean something different to everyone. It's also been made to seem way more complicated than it actually is, which is a shame really, as it's really pretty straightforward. And that's why on today's episode, we're diving in headfirst to uncover what exactly is digital marketing and how does it all work. Hello and welcome, my name is Adam Erhart and you're watching The Modern Marketing Show, where we take different marketing tactics, tools, tips, and strategies and break them down into bite-sized, actionable clips that you can use to immediately take your business to the next level. So what is digital marketing? Well, as simple as this is going to sound, digital marketing is just marketing using digital tools. And marketing is nothing more than communicating value to your customers. So digital marketing is therefore communicating value to your customers using digital tools. That's it. So, now that we've got that covered, the real question is what digital tools are available and how do they differ from traditional marketing tools? The first thing to do is understand the difference between traditional and digital marketing. Traditional marketing relies on tools and mediums like the newspaper, radio, TV, magazine, billboards, direct mail, and any form of print really. Digital, on the other hand, is made up of tools like search engine marketing, social media, content marketing like blogging, articles, or video creation, email marketing, and online pay-per-click advertising. When you're talking about traditional versus digital marketing, you're talking about the tools more than the strategy behind them. And more accurately, you're talking about which form of media you're going to use to communicate your message on, a traditional one or a digital one. So, does traditional marketing work? Absolutely. When done well and strategically designed and executed on, traditional marketing can still provide good results. But, and this is a pretty big but, when compared to digital marketing, more often than not, traditional simply doesn't have a chance. This is because digital marketing, on average, is more cost-efficient, effective, and allows you to measure, monitor, analyze, and test at a much better and much faster rate. The key to maximizing your marketing budget and results is to first leverage all available digital options and then start looking at alternative traditional opportunities. As consumer media consumption trends continue to shift dramatically away from traditional and towards more and more digital content, there will be a time in the near future where we no longer refer to it as digital marketing and simply call it what it is, marketing. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for a future video, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. If you'd like more content like this, then head over to adamerhart.com because this is where I share my best tips, tricks, and strategies that I don't share anywhere else. Take care for now, and I'll catch you next time on The Modern Marketing Show.